Hello and welcome. Today we are going to remove a background in Photoshop using channels. There are several ways we can remove a background in Photoshop. Some are more tedious than others, and maybe you already have your own technique. But today you can learn another one, and it's never enough to explore new techniques so that you can decide what's the best depending on the image you're editing. So, with that in mind, we have here this microphone image that I downloaded from Google just for this tutorial. You can use your own or download another one from Google just to practice this tutorial. As you can see, I already opened my image in Photoshop, so now we can start. So first of all, we are going to unlock this layer by clicking 2 times in the left button of the mouse and press OK. Next, we are going to select the Channels tab, and here you can see that we have all the RGB channels separately. Now, we are going to click in each individual channel just to see which one has the best contrast. I think it's the blue channel, so we can go ahead and click on top of the blue channel, select Duplicate Channel. Now we're gonna select this duplicated channel and unselect the other one. We go to Adjustments, Levels. Okay. Now we go again to Adjustments, Brightness and Contrast. We're going to play around with brightness. You can see it has not much of an effect. Okay, the contrast. Okay. Now we are going to paint with a brush tool. Make sure the color is set to black and the hardness is set to 100. And now we're gonna start to paint these white areas inside of the microphone. We're gonna start very carefully here on the edges. Okay. These white areas that we are painting inside of the microphone is the areas that we don't want to delete when we make the selection. So everything has to be black. Everything we want has to be black. I think this is a reflection too. Put a smaller brush to be more precise. Okay, I think we are done. So now we are going to select only the black area by clicking Control and clicking left side of the mouse. And now we have the selection of the microphone. Go to Layers and create a mask. Now we're going to invert the mask by clicking the mask and Control I. Now we have only the microphone. As you can see, it seems good, but we are going to create another layer. We're gonna paint it black. Select the paint bucket tool and paint black. As you can see, it's not perfect. It has these white edges, but we are going to fix that. So we are going to create a mask. I already have some settings here, then I'm gonna reset it. First of all, we start by decontaminate colors. And now we're gonna shift the edge. As we can see, we're starting to see some results. Okay, now we're gonna mess around with the radius, and now it's looking much better. Yeah, we need some smooth. Yeah, very nice. And now some feather, just to soften the edges. I think it's good now. Yeah, okay. Can press OK. And now, as you can see, there's a big difference. I'm gonna delete the other layer. And I think, yeah, it's nice. Okay, I think that is all. We have removed our background using channels. I hope this tutorial was useful. I'm gonna play here a little bit with a gradient. Gonna put the gradient background just to see how it looks. Yeah. So here you go. So I hope this video has been useful, and I hope to see you soon. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and don't forget to show your love by subscribing to my channel. And thanks for watching.